Pisces, this is your October reading for the energies of your partner. Let's see what are their energies for the month of October. And this is a quick reading. And let's see what is in their heart. So you can decide where you want to go and not want to go. How do you want to take this relationship? And I have also added a new tarot card in my collection, so we will use that also today. So we have the Vessel, we have Eros, and we have Kairos. Okay, so first of all, the energies that are associated with these cards is Gemini, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Libra, Taurus, Leo, Pisces, and Aquarius. Very strong energy of Scorpio and Gemini, Cancer, and Pisces. Okay, Pisces is your sign, so this is related to you. This is an indication. And now what is happening here is that the person that you are dealing with, Pisces, is has been through a lot of emotional turmoil, not because of you, but because of their past relationship. So something bad happened with them, heartbreak, or their trust was broken, or they were truly madly deeply in love with someone, and that person broke their trust, and now they have closed the door of their hearts for anybody else. And they are right now in the energy of being not in a relationship, not being in relationship with anyone for a permanent kind of a thing. They are being in temporary relationships, they have a lot of options, and they are scared to take any chances, so they're not getting emotionally involved with anyone right now. And they do not even want to do that, so they have closed the door of their hearts for anyone right now. This is the energy of your partner for the month of October. But we have the Vessel. That means that they have locked themselves in the Vessel. They are not opening up for anyone, and they are keeping themselves safe. So emotionally they are not available. But we have Eros, which shows that this person has a very strong desire, and they have a very strong love for you. But since they had a bad relationship in the past, so they are scared to open up, scared to dwell fully into this relationship. So they are closed right now. They have feelings for you, they are attracted towards you, and it is more physical than emotional, but they have strong passion towards you. And they think that you both have a lot of potential, but because of their wounds in the past, they are not ready to open up completely and truly. And the past hurt has forced them to not to be very honest with anyone. And they have this passion, they have the desire, they have love for you, but they feel the spark towards you. But this is a very raw and magnetic stage, right? Magnetic means that it is very physical right now. They feel it, but they do not, they are not forcing your emotions on them. And they are trying to keep it casual right now. This is what they want, but they are attracted towards you. Then we have Kairos, which means divine timing. So the energy says that your partner is not rushing at all. Like we have seen that they are giving it time, and they do not want to rush into things. And your partner is he or she, whoever your partner you're dealing with, they are not hesitant of missing a chance. Like they will not let you enter their heart unless and until they are very sure that this is something that they want full time, or this is something that will turn into something permanent, and you are that kind of person who's not going to break your heart. So they are leaving everything on time, and they will take the good time to understand you, to understand the situation, and to understand what they are looking for. So the desire and the connection is there. They are attracted towards you, but then they are battling with indecision and secrecy and old wounds. So keep that in mind while you deal with your partner, and take your actions accordingly, Pisces.